Hey guys, it's Tinga time. We're gonna start by boiling some chicken with a bay leaf, salt, onion, and a garlic. Next, you will need some cabbage that's shredded, some chipotle sauce in a can, and tomato sauce in a can, but I didn't have any, so I'm using tomato, some oil, and some chicken flavor bouillon. So what you want to do is stir fry the cabbage with a little bit of oil. For the sauce, you're gonna put your tomato or canned tomato, your chipotle sauce, the chicken bouillon, and some of the stock from the chicken that you were boiling. Also, you're gonna want to add the garlic that's in there and blend it all up. Once that is all blended up, you want to add it to your cabbage stir fry. Once that has boiled for a little bit, you add your shredded chicken. If you notice it's a little dry, add some chicken stock. To build your tostada, you're going to need some lettuce, some Parmesan cheese, some sour cream, and obviously tostadas. Add some sour cream to your tostada. Add some lettuce. Put some tinga. And last but not least, put your Parmesan cheese. And there you go, Tinga Tostadas. I hope you enjoy, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you don't miss out any of my videos. I'll see you next time.